Hi, I'm Miss Lilly, and I'm here to speak about how you can increase engagement and interactivity in your elementary school math classroom by using interactive apps. According to research, parents who were higher in math anxiety reported feeling a more negative emotional experience surrounding the homework experience when helping their child with math homework. As an educator, you don't want the homework that you assign to cause anxiety and stress and negative feelings for parents nor students. This, after all, would defeat the very purpose of homework altogether, which is to allow students to practice and extend their classroom learning. Because math is taught a little differently in today's day and age than it was when parents were growing up, sometimes math homework can be a little confusing and overwhelming, to say the least. Interactive apps can take away from some of the pressures parents may feel when providing aid to their students while still giving them the opportunity to be as involved as they wish in the homework process. Integrating gamification with learning assignments is an interactive approach that can inspire and motivate students to learn. According to research, students perceived homework assignments positively when a gamified homework strategy was implemented. There are many advantages to using interactive apps for homework applications, but there are also some challenges you will inevitably face when incorporating the use of technology tools in your math classroom. According to research, gamified learning helps achieve better learning outcomes than traditional teaching methods alone. However, a little momentum must be built in order for the effect to be achieved. Research suggests that challenges such as time to adapt can cause learning outcomes to start off apparently lower in effectiveness than traditional methods, but once that time is given to adapt accordingly, the educational gains rapidly supersede traditional learning and educational effectiveness. Furthermore, implementing a point or badge system increases user activity but has a negative impact when removed. So, educators must take the time to track and post user progress on leaderboards in order to keep students motivated. Some research supports that gamified learning reduces a student's inclination to be intrinsically motivated, placing major emphasis on outward incentives and outcomes. Research indicates that a gamified learning environment can affect users differently based on their characteristics and personality traits of students. For this reason, it is important to know your students, understand what motivates them, and use games as a tool for instruction, not as a replacement, implementing it into your pedagogical content that fits your unique classroom. Now that you've received that disclaimer, let's jump on into 3 interactive apps that you can use in your classroom to increase engagement and interactivity. First up, my personal favorite, Khan Academy Kids. I absolutely love Khan Academy because their mission is to provide free, world-class education to anyone, anywhere. They cover a range of subjects and provide step-by-step explanations for students on all sorts of topics and for each grade level. Khan Academy has been around for a while now, so when I found out that they had an interactive app for kids, I was excited. So some things you'll need to know about Khan Academy Kids. Connectivity. Your students will need to access an Android or Apple mobile device and will need to have access to the internet. Cost. The app is absolutely free. Classroom design. As the instructor, you will get to build classroom profiles, add students, select grade levels for each student, and even select custom assignments for each student. The app does the rest, providing interactive games, fun videos, formulating reports, and it can even track points and badges for you. It is very easy to use and it is user-friendly. Second app up is called Kahoot. Kahoot provides you access to dozens of subjects including math, art, business, history, science, and language, just to name a few. You can sort content by subject, grade level, and even language. Now let's discuss aspects of the Kahoot app to compare. Connectivity. Users can access this app on a computer in addition to mobile devices, which is a great option if your students don't have access to a smartphone. Cost. The Kahoot app is free for all users, but they generate revenue by offering premium features as well as premium subscription plans for schools and businesses. Classroom design. The Kahoot app is a great tool for more creative educators looking to customize their gaming experience for their students. It allows you to create learning games in just minutes and even allows you to add videos, images, and diagrams to increase engagement. These games can be played live in group settings with all users gaining access through a pin issued by the teacher. In this format, questions will appear on a shared screen while participants answer on their personal devices. Kahoot challenges can also be sent for players to complete on their own pace, which is perfect for homework assignments. The final app we will review is called Duolingo Math. Now, you may have heard of Duolingo before. That's because they were originally a language learning app, but now they've expanded their repertoire to include interactive math practice. So let's go over some of the points for comparison's sake. Connectivity. Your students will need access to an Android or Apple mobile device, such as a smartphone or iPad, to access this app. Cost. Just like the original Duolingo app, the Duolingo Math app is completely free. Classroom design. The best part about the Duolingo platform is that it tracks your daily progress and motivates you to continue through your progress in order to maintain a streak. The app can be used for elementary math learners, just as it can be used for adult learners looking to brush up on their math fluency skills. It covers a range of math concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, geometry, time, percentages, and more. Unlike some other options out there, teachers cannot create a custom experience for their learners using this app. However, students can create accounts and track their progress, and teachers can assign specific units that coincide with classroom learning. So there you have it, 3 awesome interactive apps that will help you spruce up math engagement and interactivity in your classroom. Remember, technology is only a tool for learning and works best when it is integrated thoughtfully into the curriculum. That being said, if you've never considered using games for math learning or even for homework before, it's something I urge you to explore and consider. Your students will love it. Now that we've reviewed these 3 awesome apps, let's practice accessing the Khan Academy Kids app as a teacher and then as a student. Gamification has become much more popular and relevant as we've progressed into the 21st century. Though research has proven that interventions such as Kahoot improved academic performance in experimental groups, studies that support the improvement of academic performance as a result of gamification differ on the application context. Therefore, the focus is and always should be on teaching, not technology. Our goal as educators is to engage our students and inspire them to continue learning. Studies show that students perceived homework positively when gamification was incorporated with learning assignments. So there you have it. Will you try gamification in your math classrooms today? If you do, make sure you leave the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Blessings and talk to you soon.